Oh, good morning. Welcome to Morning Code and Coffee. This is number 3 for me. Just one of those days. Please ignore my little picture-in-picture here. My webcam is just awful and it can't figure out white balance. So today in this video, we're going to be talking about JavaScript variables. And 3 different kinds. We have var, let, and const. Var and let are pretty similar. Outside of the scope of this video, we can talk about the difference between them, but keeping it simple and straightforward. These are the 3 things you can use to declare variables in JavaScript. Just going to run the code real quick. The difference between var and let, like I said, they're similar, and const, the difference between those two is that you have to initialize, there we go, you have to initialize a constant, right? With var and let, you can see down here, it console logs undefined because basically we just initialized it and we didn't set anything to the variable yet, which is totally fine by JavaScript rules. But let's say we get rid of this and we run into this little syntax error, missing initializer in const declaration. And that's because, let's clear this, const is immutable, can't change it. Right? So for example, let's set number to 43 and speed. So another string is slow. Oops. So we run this and we have 43 slow forward, which if you know anything about cars, that's not true. Ken Block is really quick. So what we can do is change things around fast. So we initialize it with slow, we change it to fast, we clear our console, we run the code, and now, so you see, originally it was slow, now it says fast, and it's reflected down here as such. Let's try to do that with car. Run the code. Oop. Look at that. Assignment to constant variable. Can't change it, right? And there are exceptions to that rule, but we're not going to get into it at this point because, like I said, we're just doing the basics here. So we can't change a constant. We can change let, we can change var, number equals 99. Run the code, look down here. Hey, it's reflecting that. And for the record, the names of the variables can be anything, right? It's not, doesn't have to be related to what you're calling it. Let's just, I mean, it can literally just, right? It can be anything. One thing to note is a totally legal variable can be a $sign or ~_ underscore. Of course, we would have to then change it here as well. Oops, there we go. And number $sign. Let's clear this. Cool. I guess another thing to point out is it can't start with a number. It can end or have a number in it, but you cannot start a variable with a number. Not sure why, but yeah, so that's the basics, I guess. I'm really just throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks with these videos. There's no script. I don't have a whole lot to go off of. So if you have any questions about this video, because I did such a bad job, I'll admit to that. If you have any questions about this video, any of the other videos, leave a comment in the section below. Try to answer it in the comments. Or if there's enough to make another video about it, or if you just want to know something else, if you have a question, let me know. I'm really not sure of the direction of this video series, but yeah, flying by seat of my pants here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.